Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, madam.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you, madam.
Okay, I'm also fine. The sun is there.
The sun is there.
Up in the sky. I wake up in the morning. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a cup of tea. I take my bath. I say goodbye. I run to school. I ran to school. Very good. You remember very well yesterday, I taught you about a new strand known as collage. A new strand known as?
Collage.
This is what we did yesterday. And I said collage is a technique of sticking two or more different papers on a surface using glue. Are you getting?
Yes.
These are the papers. This is color red. This is color
Red.
and this is color
White.
very good. Now these are two what? Materials or papers, is it? They are not more than two, but they are just the two. I'm sticking them together to make a collage. To make a collage. I'm sticking them together to make a collage. Now after sticking them together, you will mount on a surface. And I had already said a surface is anything that you can mount pictures on it. First surface is your desk. Is your desk. Even this board is a surface. Even that wall is a surface. Now let me just use the board as our surface to mount on. Yeah, I've mounted there. What have I done? What have I done?
Collage.
What have I done?
Collage.
Yeah, very good. Collage. I've done collage. Then I said yesterday, different materials used to make collage. One is
Paper.
One is
Paper.
One is
Paper.
very good. The second one is
Blue.
The second one is
Blue.
very good. So that one is not for today. Today you have a new substrand known as surface. Preparing materials for making a collage. Preparing materials for making a collage. Again, repeat. Preparing materials.
Preparing materials.
For making a collage.
For making a collage.
Preparing materials.
Preparing materials.
For making a collage.
For making a collage.
I read again, boys and girls.
Preparing materials for making a collage.
Very good. Preparing materials for making a collage. This one simply means you prepare. For example, for instance, at your homes, you usually prepare yourself before you come to school. Yes. Yeah, you prepare first. First of all, you wake up, isn't it? You wash your face, isn't it?
Yes.
Then you take tea, isn't it? Yes. You brush your teeth?
Yes.
Yeah. Then you put on your school uniform, then you come to school, isn't it? Same way to preparing materials for making a collage. These materials, for them to be used in collage, they are supposed to be prepared, isn't it?
Yes.
First of all, you should clean. You should do what? Clean. First of all, you should clean. First of all, you should do what?
Clean.
You should do cleaning. You should do cleaning. You should do cleaning. Cleaning, sorting. First of all, you should do sorting, cleaning, and cutting. Very good. First of all, when you are preparing materials for making collage, first thing you will base on or you will consider is sorting. Is?
Sorting.
Is?
Sorting.
Is?
Sorting.
Second?
Cleaning.
Second?
Cleaning.
Third?
Cutting.
Third?
Cutting.
Very good. Now let us look at the sorting method. Let us look at sorting method. Preparing and sorting materials. Preparing and So preparing and sorting. Preparing and sorting materials for making a collage. For making a collage. Sort materials collected by groups. Yeah, sort materials collected by grouping or placing similar ones together. Sorting hapa inasema, pay attention. Say sorting.
Sorting.
Say sorting.
Sorting.
Say sorting.
Sorting.
Sorting simply means vile wamesema kwa kitabu ya kwamba you group materials basing on the use, basing on the use, and basing on the color, and basing on the color. For example, let us now demonstrate sorting here. Let us demonstrate sorting here. Wamesema sorting, you group materials of the same color, of the same use, isn't it?
Yes.
This is a da? What is this?
Duster.
What is this?
Duster.
What are these?
Pencil.
What are these?
Pencils.
Oh, these are so many. What are these?
Sharpeners.
What are these?
Sharpeners.
Sharpeners. What are these?
Sharpeners.
Of different colors, isn't it? Yeah. This is glue, isn't it? Yeah. Now I want us to do sorting. I want us to do sorting. You group according to color and the use. You group according to color and use. This color. This color. This color. This color. And this color. Very good. This color.
Red.
This color.
Blue.
This color.
Green.
Very good. And this color.
Black.
Black. Very good. Now I want us to, they are now mixed up. Zimechanganywa. Zimecha? They are mixed up. Zimechanganywa. They are mixed up. Zimechanga? They say they are mixed up. Zimechanganywa. Let me do sorting. Let us start with glue, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Let us group them. We are doing what?
Sorting.
What are we doing?
Sorting.
What are we doing?
Sorting.
They are of the same color, isn't it?
Yes.
They are of the same color, isn't it?
Yes.
They are of the same use, isn't it?
Yes.
Boys, they are of the same use, isn't it?
Yes.
They are of the same use, isn't it?
Yes.
This color?
Green.
This color?
Green.
I've heard someone saying this is color red. Wait, this is the green. So I place it green there. And this color?
Blue.
Can I add on green? Can I add on green?
No.
Because I'm doing sorting, isn't it?
Yes.
Basing on the color, isn't it? So I place it on its own place, isn't it? This color?
Yellow.
I add on blue, isn't it?
No.
Oh, very good. I place on its own way, isn't it? This color?
Green.
I look at where green is and then I place on it, isn't it? I'm doing sorting, isn't it?
Yes.
This color?
Red.
I place here, isn't it?
No.
Yes?
No.
Okay. This one is supposed to have its own way. This one is color?
Green.
I place on green, isn't it? Very good. This color?
Red.
I place on red, is it?
Yes.
I place on red, is it?
Yes.
Very good. And this color?
Blue.
I place on yellow.
No.
Oh, here?
Yes.
Very good. And this is pencil. This is a pencil. I just placed it there. And again, I place the pencil there. And another pencil there. Class, what have I done? Cleaning, sorting, or cutting? What have I done? Raise up your hand. What have I done? Have I demonstrated sorting, cleaning, or cutting? What have I done? Boys, what have I done? What have I done? Umefanya nini hapa?
Okay, now first let's
Yes?
looking on the
Very good boy. Clap for Liban, Hassan, fanya hivi. Fanya hivi. Drop. Very good. Now on the next lesson, we shall discuss on
Cleaning.
We shall do on?
Cleaning.
Very good.